Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make soup for rice using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of chopped vegetables, your preferred protein, and 4 cups of broth. Make sure to chop all your vegetables into small, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and quickly, making your soup delicious and ready in no time. Next, heat a tablespoon of oil in a pot over medium heat. Sauté aromatics like garlic and onions until they are fragrant, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Then, add your protein, such as chicken or tofu, and cook until it's lightly browned. Finally, pour in 4 cups of broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and let the flavors meld. Now it's time to add your vegetables. Start with harder vegetables like carrots or potatoes, letting them cook for about 5 minutes. Then, add softer vegetables such as spinach or mushrooms, cooking until everything is tender crisp. Season your soup generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs to enhance the overall taste. Finally, ensure all your vegetables are tender but still have a slight bite, avoiding any mushiness. For an extra burst of flavor, stir in some fresh herbs like cilantro or a squeeze of lime juice right before serving. Your delicious, easy soup for rice is now ready. Serve it hot over a generous bed of fluffy, perfectly cooked rice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.